And God saw. Did you notice that Jesus always used parables when he taught? Why? Well, firstly, what is a parable? In basics, it's a story that depicts a thought or idea graphically so you can understand. Because what you understand is subject and shaped by the picture your mind makes of what you hear. Well, that was Jesus, and surely that does not necessarily apply to God or the rest of the Bible. Well, let's see. What was the first thing God did after he had finished creating? Genesis 1:31 tells us, "Then God saw everything that he had made, and indeed it was very good." God looked at creation, at the picture of what he had done, and he saw that it was good. Then during the Exodus, God spoke to Moses on Mount Sinai, and afterwards said to Moses in Exodus 25:40, "And see to it that you make them according to the pattern which was shown to you on the mountain." God showed Moses a picture of what he had in mind for Moses to do for him. Not just words, God showed him a picture. Well, that was then. What about now? What about us? During the last evening before Jesus' arrest, we have an interesting example of how God works with us. In fact, one of the foundations of believing of what faith stands on. During the Last Supper, Jesus said to his disciples, "One of you will betray me." So, Peter asked John to ask Jesus who was going to betray him. What was Jesus' reply to John? Jesus did not give a name. Jesus did not point to someone, but Jesus gave John a picture. In John 13:26 he said, "It is he to whom I shall give a piece of bread when I have dipped it." Jesus did not tell John who it was, but Jesus told John to look. Maybe that is where seeing is believing comes from. Who knows? Yes, there are many pictures that God has shown us, but possibly the most vivid one that I believe God wants us to see is in John 1, verses 1 through 5. "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was in the beginning with God, and all things were made through him, and without him nothing was made that was made. In him was life, and the life was the light of men. And the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness did not comprehend it." So, meditate on these pictures. The picture that God saw of creation in Genesis 1:31, and the picture God gave John in John chapter 1 that so graphically describes Jesus.